In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set unique discount coupons in the WooCommerce MailChimp newsletter discount plugin. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the settings for the MailChimp newsletter discount plugin. This is where you'll control how coupon codes are generated and delivered to subscribers, so it's important to review each option carefully before saving anything. Once you're in the plugin settings, look for the section related to coupon behavior. Here, you'll want to enable the option for unique coupons. Turning this on means each subscriber receives their own individual discount code instead of everyone getting the same shared coupon. This is especially useful if you want better tracking, tighter control over usage, and a more personalized promotional experience. After enabling unique coupons, move to the coupon configuration area. In this section, choose the WooCommerce coupon template or settings the plugin should use when creating each unique code. Depending on your setup, this may include selecting an existing coupon format or adjusting the rules that define the discount. Take a moment here to make sure the coupon type matches your campaign goals, whether that's a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or another supported option. Next, review the usage restrictions and limits. Since these are unique coupons, this is where you can make sure each code behaves the way you want. For example, you may want the discount to apply only once, or only under certain cart conditions. Even though the plugin is generating the codes automatically, these underlying WooCommerce coupon rules still matter because they determine how customers can redeem the offer. Once everything looks correct, save your changes. This step is important because the unique coupon setting won't take effect until the plugin configuration is updated. After saving, the plugin will be ready to generate separate discount codes for new newsletter signups based on the settings you selected. Finally, test the setup. Subscribe to your newsletter using a test email address and check the message that gets sent. You want to confirm that the email includes a unique coupon code and that the code works properly in your WooCommerce store during checkout. If something doesn't look right, go back into the plugin settings and review the coupon configuration, especially the unique coupon option and the WooCommerce discount rules tied to it. That's it. Once this is working, you'll have an automated way to reward new subscribers with one-of-a-kind discount codes while keeping your promotions organized and easier to manage.